I know it can't be that racist. Come on, it's 2022.
Bruh.
Yo.
So.
Allah Akbar.
What's wrong with you, G? Come on. You're a black dude. You should know how bad racists can get in real life.
Okay, Chief Keef from the dollar store is gonna make jokes now.
Oh! Where your bombs, bro?
They're at.
Come on, you could have come up with a better roast than that. Oh, he's good. He's good.
Bro, what's going on?
Hey. What's up?
I think I'll be seeing you on TikTok.
Yeah.
If it's you, I don't know.
What if it's me?
Then you gonna say some slick shit, huh?
There's nothing to say about you. You know, you look like you look fine.
Like if I said don't buy my house or some shit, you gonna say something.
Yeah, I'm gonna say something like, your head looks like the AirPod you're wearing right now. Oh, but other than that. I'm sorry, I'm saying if.
Hello, Habibi.
What?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. Do you know helicopter? Paracopter, You like that song? It's Bulgarian, right?
Yeah, it is Bulgaria.
I didn't know that. Wait, I didn't know that song was Bulgarian.
Helicopter, paracopter. You like that song? It's Bulgarian, right?
Yeah, it is Bulgaria.
I'm gonna die.
Bro, this is the girl who has like Black Lives Matter post
I know it can't be her. They don't even look the same. Is that catfish?
in her Instagram. Racist indoors and not racist outside.
Absolutely, yes. You're
The fuck?
fucking racist as fuck.
I know this fucking dude.
早上好，跟我先生有冰淇淋，我星星好
Is he just saying words or does he speak a language?
冰淇淋。
Bruh.
If you don't speak English right.
早上好，跟我现在有冰淇淋。
今年了，欢迎的哈，难道哈？ If you don't speak English, I'm finna skip it again.
Dune dane vide dune.
This guy's a funny dude, G. How does he even come up with that shit?
Oh shit.
You're my
He's
enemy.
about to blow us up.
What?
This motherfucker is going to blow us
You're
up.
my enemy.
America has ruined their people's mindsets completely. They've turned all Americans against Muslim people. I'm amazed.
Bro, the only enemy you have is your homework, bro. Go do your homework.
I'm a veteran and I'm gonna kill you.
But that's kind of sad, bro. That guy was probably his father or something.
You know what's fucked up?
America.
Macaroni and cheese.
No. Macaroni is cheese and good, bro. You know what's fucked up?
What?
9/11 was fucked up. Not gonna lie. Why you laughing?
Listen.
Yo, 3,000 people died. And you laugh?
Bro, I'm not laughing.
What's that then? Your mouth is just stretching?
Alright, listen. See, it's just out of nowhere that you said 9/11.
I mean, like what? So you don't agree? I'm just saying the incident. It was fucked up.
I know. Mac and cheese is actually really good.
Wow. What's with that subject? G? Come on, you could have come up with something better though.
Now that I think about it.
You're my dream Discord mod, bro. Oh god. Bro.
What was that? Yeah, my dream Discord one.
Wakey, wakey.
Wakey, wakey.
Oh my god, bro.
No.
What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. Get your goddamn.
You know, I just ate. I swear, I feel like I'm gonna vomit.
Bro, how many calories is that? That's
Okay, that helped me hold it in. That helped me hold it in a little bit longer.
500 calories or something.
What the hell?
What will ever make
We
you
kill
feel
people like
You can you? I don't think you. I don't think you can. I don't think this guy could kill anyone, not even an ant.
What's good?
I love you, bro.
You like men?
No, no, I mean like, hey, come on, like in a brotherly way.
You want me to come? You want me to come? You just said come on. What do you mean by that?
Walk on.
Ooh, you want to walk on me? So you're dominant
This guy is quick with the thinking.
today.
Nah, hey, bro, look, hey, bro, come
Finally, he made his match. He made his match. He made his match.
on. You got the cross, bro. You're supposed to be a man of God.
No, listen, God is not the only man I get on my knees for.
Okay, he's speechless. He can't come up with anything.
Listen, bro, I have to go. My mom
He lost that round. He
is
lost that
calling
round.
me. See you.
He lost that round. Okay, that's hella creepy if that showed up on my screen, all just like right now. That's creepy. G.
Saudi Arabia, y'all trash, bro. Y'all lost to Poland.
We won Argentina, and you're like, you don't care about that, but we lose to Poland. Hey, listen, I don't see Somalia in the World Cup.
Yo, don't be taking shots on Somalia now.
That's all I'm gonna say, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, I love your costume. Do I rate it? I rated 9 out of 11. I rated 9 out of 11.
Okay,
9/11.
my content.
Yeah, I
is
love
9
it. I
out of
rated
11.
9 out of 11.
Okay.
9 out of 11.
Baby, let's
Hey,
fucky.
hey, fear God.
Baby, come on, let's fucky.
No.
No, baby, please.
No,
Let's
repent to God.
Baby, Allah not watching us, baby.
No, Allah is always watching. Shut up! Shut up! Allah is always watching.
The fuck, bro? Is that a
No.
Hey, bro. Who is that? Who said that? Who said that?
That was him.
These bitches love so. Oh,
Hey, why you going for word, bro?
What's good in the hoodie, brother?
It's Mason.
Brother.
Yo, this guy's killing me. I'm not joking.
Hey, brother.
For free, really?
Wait, is he just holding a foot that's cut off? Because that looks like he's just holding a foot that's cut off. Because he's straight. How the hell you hold your foot like that when you're so straight? That's not possible.
For free, for free,
Yep.
for free.
I won't even charge you, bro. This one's free for you, brother.
Just for me, right? Free discount.
Just for you, man. Hey, homie. From one homie to another homie.
Let me block the camera so they don't see what happens.
Alright, bro.
Repent to God now. Don't show your feet. Don't show your feet. Repent to God.
Hey, man.
before
How
you
you
go to hell.
doing today?
Hey, you like this flag over there?
That's where I'm from.
You're from Hot Moms?
I love hot moms.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Let's not take it too far.
Tell your mom that.
Too far.
I had a feeling that was coming.
Tell your mom that.
Finished. Wasted.
Nice.
Bro, repent to God. What is this?
I know. God damn. Hold on. I'm sorry. I'm not really sorry, but please don't do anything to the Twin Towers again, bro.
Oh, wow, bro. Come
Hit me with an
on.
American joke. Now hit me with an American joke.
I don't know, bro. What? Don't shoot a school up? I don't know. Okay, what? Yo, why you laughing?
We could kick Iraq. You gotta get the eye.
Bro.
He's trying to slap.
What the hell? What's up?
Hello, how are you?
What the hell? No, I'm just kidding. What's up?
What's up? I'm a dude. Just to let you know, I'm a dude.
I'm a dude. It's okay, dude.
Yeah, some people think I'm a woman. I'm not a woman.
I kill you people.
You kill my people?
Yes, I kill you.
Well, come on,
Boom,
bro.
boom.
You look like the song, I fell in love with an emo girl.
I know he didn't go there. Yo, you gotta take that. Come on. Don't tell me you gotta take that.
Excuse me, Mexican sir.
Me, Mexican?
Call him Mr. Bomb Squad. Mr. Bomb Squad.
Oh, yeah, that's more accurate.
That's
You know?
Hey, this man's not. This man isn't racist. So can you do him a favor?
I can do your mom a favor if you want.
Okay, let's. I guess you're getting herpes then.
What? Repeat that, G? Repeat that again?
Okay, let's. I guess you're getting herpes then.
Hi.
Yo, what's up?
You come from America?
No, Middle East.
Okay, cool.
Where you from?
I'm come from China.
Ni hao ma.
Oh, 你好. You can speak Chinese?
I know Bing chilling
现在我有冰淇淋。
and ni hao. That's all, bro. I'm sorry.
Chili. Oh my god.
John Cena, Bing chilling. Yeah.
Chili. Yes. It's ice cream in Chinese. Do you like eat ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
You're so cute.
Bruh.
So
Excuse me?
how old are you?
Okay, listen, bro.
Skip.
Let's keep that ice cream, bro. Let's keep that ice cream. Let's just keep it at Bing chilling for now, bro. Let's keep it at Bing
Skip.
chilling. Let's slow things. Okay, bro, I gotta go. See you. Bye bye. Is that BTS behind you?
Yeah, that's BTS behind.
Oh my god, they're my favorite.
Same.
BTS helped me in my life. When I was a kid, I was literally paralyzed on a wheelchair, and listening to their songs.
How you coming up with straight up lies like that? Don't tell me she's gonna believe it.
Helped me get through. Whenever their songs came on the radio, I would just get up from my wheelchair and turn it off. Like, I'm not on the wheelchairs. Look, I can stand now. Thank you, BTS.
That's amazing. Yeah, thank you, BTS.
Anyone ever tell you this? You're the fucking bomb, man.
Yeah.
Dude, you look like an awesome plane pilot.
My uncle was the greatest one, though.
Plane pilot.
Thank you, BTS.
Anyone ever tell you this?
Yo, I'm done.
Why laughing, though?
I swear, guys, was that joke?
Oh, he was.
What did he do?
He flew planes.
Did he fly a plane in like September ever?
Did he land them?
It was his most accomplished day, I guess. that was his retirement day.
Really have to master the craft, huh?
Yeah, he did master the craft.
The aircraft?
Yeah.
Do you want to see something, brother? Look, don't make
Hey,
fun
listen.
of me though.
Hey, what?
What the hell is that?
That's not haram. We don't do haram over here, brother. Don't
Good
beat me
job.
up, brother.
Never.
Oh my god, you're the guy from the day. No, wait, put me on YouTube. Put me on YouTube.
华新校，新校，华新校，冰淇淋。
啊？早上他走过，现在我有冰淇淋。
Yo, she knows how to do it better. Whoa.
I ate that up, right? Yeah.
你好。
你好吗？
Yo.
He's killing it. He's killing it.
Yo, you're the best.
Yeah, but she's adding Gangnam Style, bro. Come on.
I'm
That
putting
was
this
a
on
good one.
YouTube.
Thank you, thank you.
Oh my god, bro. Oh hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Come on, don't be doing that light skin shit.
Get your ass on.
Well, my girl is here. Calm down.
Yep. Good. Erase. Brother, what does he look like? Yeah, Goatee.
Grandpa, what's up?
I hear you, buddy.
I love you, Grandpa.
This is Grandpa from America.
Hey.
You from where? United States?
I'm from the Middle East.
You like Americans or not?
Hey, I like some Americans. I hate some Americans. You know, they're just like all people. There's good people and there's assholes.
Oh, yeah.
Are you the good type or the asshole?
I'm a good type. I'm a hillbilly. I live in the country.
He's chill though. That grandpa's chill.
Shit. Do you know this song? Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, my mama. Country.
How you know?
I'm a country boy.
Yo, I'm a fan. I'm a fan, okay? I follow you.
You're the best.
My mom likes you. My mom likes you.
Your mom likes me?
She likes your YouTube channel.
What about me though? I must screw my YouTube channel. Does she like me?
Yeah.
Let's go!
She doesn't watch it around my dad.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yo.
Oh! Bro, I told you guys, I'm from I Love Hot Moms.
He's pulling without even trying.
Country. Are you subscribed though? Are you subscribed? With the bell on?
Yeah.
Let's go! How many likes should this video get?
I'm telling you, just like don't get a million videos, a million likes. I mean, a million likes, bro.
A million likes for this kid and his
Just
mom.
subscribe and hit that noti button, bro.
Booty naked.
Booty naked? Who?
She saw, she knew, she was gone.